Guys, I'm back with another unboxing video, and this time is Memories DVD from Aladdin. And I've ordered them from Aladdin because I got vouchers the other time from ordering the Tears album. Tears album. So I thought of ordering them myself instead of going through a deal. But this time the box came in a very bad condition. I suppose it's because my item was charged by custom, so I had to pay more. Anyways, I will open it now and show you guys what's inside. Cha-chang! So this is how it looks like when it came in through the box. So you can see like they put in foams in between, which is really good. And then this is the side, and of course the seal, the official seal. And there. So this is the other side. It was in between like this bubble wrap, so that's why I didn't get damaged in between, like in the folder, although the box got damaged. So I'll open it now and show you guys. So here it is. Oh, it's magnetic clips. Jean. Oh, I wanted to get you guys, but oh well. So, as you can see earlier, this is the foam in between, and then the photo card. Oh, I think this is the frame. So this is the frame, the photo. Look at them. Oh, I'll show you guys how the back looks like. And there. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Looks gorgeous. There. Oh, this picture is just beautiful. If only like there aren't holes in here, it would make a really nice poster. And so this part here, there is You Never Walk Alone album photograph, Spring Day 봄날 MV and Not Today MV. And there. Hey, sugar. Oh, did I show you guys what's in the first part? Well, I'm sure you guys know from the pictures anyways, from the Wings tour. There. Oh yeah. The photos are in so good quality. Like such good quality photos. And the third part here is a Sotaiji concert time traveler behind. And there are the performances. And the fourth one is Love Yourself hair album photograph, DNA, My Job, and Serendipity. And oh, so this one opened up to photo like this. Mic drop. This is the remix version, and then Serendipity. Oh, I really like this photo. Oh, it turns out the background is photoshopped, but it's really good. Like yeah. And RMN will change MV. The pictures. Oh, there's only a few of them here. And 6 award ceremony, Jimmy Kimmel, Dick Clark's New Year's Eve, and AMA's behind. So this is the AMAs. There. And that's the New Year's Eve event. Oh, it opens up to another thing. Wow. And basically that's the credits part. So there. And of course the credits part as well. Special thanks to one and only ARMY. Aww. And these are the DVDs. So disc 1 is for Wings Tour the Final Part 1. Disc 2 is for Part 2 and the making of the film, making of the concert. And Wings Tour, this is not the final one. And this is in Japan. And You Never Walk Alone, RM and Wales, Change MV, Making Love Yourself Her, BTS Home Party, Award Ceremony, Genius Lab Making Film, and Society Traveler Behind Film. So yeah, oh, with one and only ARMY. So that's the content of the CDs. There. And basically that's it for the memories of 2017. The quality of pictures is really good. It's really nice. I'm gonna take my time slowly and read and look at it again. So thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoy it, and if you're tempted to buy it, please do. So see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.